Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Man. Today, let me show you a quick guide on how you can cancel one-click pay on TEMU. First, open your TEMU app on your device. Make sure you already logged into your account. From this dashboard, click Q on the bottom over here. Then on the top right corner, you will see the settings button. Click that. Then go to your payment methods. This page will show you all the payment methods you have added to your TEMU account. If you already set up one-click pay, you should see it on this page. Then tap on it, and you will be taken to a page where you can manage this feature. On that said page, you should see an option to cancel or disable it. Just simply click on that. Then a prompt will show up confirming that you want to proceed. Confirm on that, and now you can manually enter your payment details for every checkout. Note that if you use on click in the last 30 days, you will not be able to cancel it immediately. In that case, you can contact the customer support over here. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.